So today's topic is importance of an engineer. Why engineers is required whenever there are big projects, dams, construction activity, some machinery and production activity. Then engineers are required to run those activities and in a economic manner. It should not cost much. They have to plan. They have to plan and budget it and arrange for the resources. When the resources are arranged, use those resources economically and optimally. Less amount, maximum work, and effectively producing the results, the purpose for which they have designed or they have manufactured that activity. It should serve the masses. It should not be such that you have constructed something, built something, a machine import kar liya, and there is no use of it after that. It should be utilized properly. For example, if you want to smoothen the traffic, you decide that we need to construct some over bridges or underpasses. Then they should be designed in such a way that they are strong enough. We are confident that they are safe. Nothing will happen if the traffic is increased. The density of traffic is more, the bridge will not collapse. That is the safety part of it. And the cost of construction should be the real cost, the minimum cost which is required. It should not be escalated cost which unnecessary, adding to the margins of many intermediaries which are not required. So that redundancy has to be seen and checked at times. This should not be entry of unnecessary elements who consume most part of your savings or most part of your resources and producing nothing. So these are some of the points which are assessed and improved upon by the engineers, and hence the necessity of an engineer to build a better society, strong society, the safe society and the cost effective society. So all those activities an engineer can take, and this gives, if you see in the society, he gets a reputed value, and he is respected in the society for his work, and at the same time he is responsible for all those jobs which he has done. He cannot escape the responsibility. Say for example, if I tell you some points, in Delhi itself, the under bridges which are constructed from time to time, when the rain comes, the bridges they are full of water, and the traffic, even the buses are drowning in that. And when the rain stops, their water is drained out through the pumps. Then those machines, traffic is smoothened. So smoothing the traffic by creating these kind of infrastructure is not a good idea. And if you can develop and design and build the effective which is serving some purpose, then there is a necessity of an engineer. And big projects like railways, construction of dams, buildings, societies, all those places, roads, bridges, all those places engineers are required with enough necessary trainings, necessary knowledge, the field knowledge, the experience and the guidance to the workers at the lower level, so that the cost and the effectiveness of the work is realized by the society. This is what is the small message from my side. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiter signing off. Thank you. Bye.